This video will show you how to replace the control unit in your Champion inverter. Make sure the engine is completely cool, and always disconnect the battery and the spark plug cap when working on your unit. Step 1. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts holding on the handle, one on each side, and remove the handle. Then use an 8mm socket to remove the 5 bolts holding on the front panel, and 2 more bolts at the top of the unit near the fuel tank. Step 2. Gently pull back the panel to access the control unit, and use a 10mm socket to remove the nuts and bolts holding it on, 2 on each side. Step 3. On the recoil side of the unit, locate the 4 wire connectors that lead back to the control unit and disconnect them. With the panel pulled back, slide the control unit off the 2 mounting studs, then disconnect the remaining wire connectors to fully remove the old control unit. Step 4. Take your new control unit and feed the long set of wires back through the hole beneath the recoil cover, and reconnect the corresponding wire connectors. Then reconnect the 4 remaining color-coordinated wire connectors, and set the control unit back into place on the mounting studs. Then replace and tighten the nuts and bolts on each side of the control unit with a 10mm socket. To reassemble your unit, set the panel back in place and replace and tighten the top 2 panel bolts first, then replace the 5 lower bolts. Set the handle back in place and tighten the bolts on each side, and lastly, reconnect the battery and spark plug cap. Your control unit replacement is complete. Always follow the safety guidelines in your operator's manual, and for more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.